Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fujifilm just finished their Fuji X Summit Global for 2021, where they announced new GFX 100S and also the XE4 cameras. They also didn't leave older cameras out of the announcement. And while as of now, it doesn't look like the new film simulation is going to be coming to their older cameras, we can always kind of wait. But they did announce a couple of new updates, and Fujifilm is going to be releasing free firmware to the X100V, the X-T30, and the X-Pro3 Series cameras coming at the end of February 2021. We can maybe hope, and they might just sneak in an update to the Fuji X-T4, X-T3 with nostalgic negatives. We'll have to wait and see. So the firmware version 2.0 for the Fujifilm X100V, it adds supports for the Fujifilm X Webcam software. This will allow you to now connect your camera to a computer, PC, or Mac and use it as a webcam when you install their X Webcam software. And on the 100V, there also is a built-in ND filter. This will also be able to now be used in video mode while recording, so let you use wider apertures and bright light or shorter shutter speed scenarios. Good actually update for the X100V with this edition. And there's also been an enhancement to the OVF EVF to allow you to set the position of the bright frame to its shifted location. Now in the optical viewfinder mode, the bright frame will shift to the actual shooting area when the shutter button is pressed down part way to obtain focus. This firmware update adds the option to set the camera to remember where this bright frame is shifted, the location, and turning the setting on means that the camera will not have to readjust this frame's position every time you adjust your focus on your X100V. And then lastly with this one is when you are using your digital teleconverter function, you can save still images in both RAW and JPEG to the memory card. Prior to this, you could only actually save them in JPEG, so this is a welcome addition to that. If you have a Fuji X-T30, you'll now also gain support for the Fuji X Webcam software. They seem to be releasing these in all of their cameras now. So you'll be able to use this camera now as a webcam when it's connected to your Mac or PC via USB. Super handy function. And also there's a picture rating information. We'll get a signed in camera now. It will go and become visible into third parties, allow you to kind of enhance catalog management, makes things a little easier once you get your images over into Lightroom if you've edited, kind of pre-edited images and marked them in your camera. Last but not least, X-Pro3. So firmware version 1.20 will give you the same usability enhancements to the OVF and EVF as the X100V now. So those same updates are coming to the X-Pro3. And Fujifilm has said these firmware updates are going to be coming at the end of February. So I'll keep everybody updated on the channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. That way you'll get notified of new videos. I'll keep you updated as these get announced. And also if there is any new film simulation, there is a new film simulation called Nostalgic Negative that was added to the GFX 100S. So far, it hasn't appeared to be coming to any of the other Fuji cameras, but time will tell. We'll keep an eye on whether they release and kind of sneak these in under the wire. I know we all like new film simulations on our camera. So hopefully the nostalgic negative one will come to the X-T4 and the X-T3 and some of these other models of cameras. Fuji sometimes has a way of kind of sneaking these in at the last minute. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Always helps out the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, but also don't forget, turn on the notification bell. That way you'll get notified of new videos as they get posted. I post videos quite regularly here on the channel. It's great to have everybody follow along. I wanted to do another shout out as well to my channel members. We launched channel memberships a few weeks ago on the channel, and thanks to everybody that has already signed up as a channel member. Helps support the channel, and I really appreciate you being a member of the channel. Thanks for watching everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.